Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today I'm working on a pool project. I'm cleaning a pool for a customer. Let me give y'all a view. I know y'all want to see a view of it, but this here pool needs cleaning. So what I'm going to do is drain all the water out of the pool and then clean all the debris out and then fill it up. But let's look at this pool. Okay, here we go. This here is the way the pool looks. You see how dingy the pool looks? Well, it's not that bad. It just has some tree debris in here and it has turned the water all dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain all this here out of here, get all this debris out of this pool, and we're going to see if we can get it back pretty and blue here. So this is going to take a little time. Now what I've done already is went and got the pump that I needed to use to drain this pool. And as you can see right here, we have the pump right here. This here is a pump. I got the pump, I got the hose and all of that. So you see that right there? Okay, we got an electric pump. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plug that up, drop it down in there. It's going to suck all that water out of here. And it shouldn't take too long, maybe 2 or 3 hours, and this whole pool should be drained. And once it gets drained in, like I said, all the debris, I will get all that out of there. I'll go down there in the pool and get all that out. I may have to pressure wash this pool once I get all the debris out of here. So I'm just sharing this a little bit with y'all right now, what I'm finna do on cleaning up this here pool. So this is another task that I take care of. Sometimes I will take on jobs of cleaning swimming pools. Y'all know I do fence jobs. I do some household handyman stuff, for his electrical stuff, for his installing ceiling fans, removing faucets, toilets. I do all of those jobs, sometimes in between. I never share that with y'all in any of my videos, but those are other jobs that I do take on when times get slow. In the winter time, for a handyman job, I do a lot of little, fixing up around the homes, for installing ceiling fans, garage door opens, garage repair. Sometimes people ask me to do these tasks for them, but I don't do a lot because sometimes I'll get busy with doing the lawns and I just don't have the time to do all of these things. So I'm just sharing that a little bit with y'all. If somebody's out there and that want to learn how to do a lot of different things, then the market is open. I get a lot of customers all the time looking for these types of tasks to be performed at their homes. So I'm just sharing that with y'all. But now y'all, I'm finna get this here job moving here. I'm finna drop this pump in and see if I can get this here pool drained and clean. So, and I will share that with y'all when I finish with this here task of getting this here pool all clean. So y'all just stay tuned for that, okay? Okay, draining of the pool is coming along. Let me give you a view of it. This here is the first part of the pool right here. I was able to drain this one here out. Got a lot of leaf debris in there, and it smells awful. But now I'm working on draining this here portion over here. This one's going to take a while. God, this stuff stinks, y'all. It's going to take a while to get this all cleaned out. And then I'm going to get some cleaner. Well, rake all this up, sweep it all up, and then get some cleaner and put in there and pressure wash it, and we're gonna get it back looking pretty clean and blue. Okay, everyone, I'm back. It has taken a lot of time to clean out the pool. Let me give y'all a view of the way the pool looks. Okay, here we go. This here is the way the pool looks. Y'all remember in the beginning of the video, this pool was all murky, dirty. This here took some time to clean up, but look at it now. Still draining. I'm jumping down into the pool. Oh boy. But this here is just some bleach I put in here. Had to bleach all the walls all around because it was all dirty. But I got it. Bleached everything all around to get it all this here clean here. And you know, when you drain a pool, you have to get it all clean quick as you can, and then fill it all back up with water. And so that's what I'm doing. It took, well, I started yesterday, and so it took all night to get this pool all drained. And now I'm gonna fill it back up because you don't want to leave it without any water in it for over a long period of time. What'll happen is it'll buckle. The ground has moisture, and the pool and the weight of the concrete, it'll crack it, it'll buckle. You get cracks in it. So I'm just draining it now and draining the rest of the water out of here and getting ready to fill it back up and get it ready so it can swim in it. But y'all know how it was looking before. It was a mess. And we got the other one over here, right in here. Just got a little bit more debris in here. Got to get all that all cleaned out. Just some little leaves. Run some water in there and get all that out of there. But this here is the way it looks, y'all, after working continuously on this here pool here. It's another job. I don't normally do a lot of these. I just take them on at different times. The customer may ask me to do it, and I'll do it. Clean it up, bleach it up, and everything. You know, what I used on it, I had to, I bleached it all around, and I took my pressure wash over here, right here, and I pressure washed everything after I got everything all out of there. So I pressure washed the whole pool, the sides of the wall, to get all of the dirt, debris, and dingy and all that. You know, it had a lot of leaves in there, so I had to get all those leaves up out of there. And right now, as you can see, this part right here, I'm showing you. See, it's still a little dirt right in there. I'm gonna pressure wash that off there. Get this dirt out of here. As you can see on the other side, I've already pressure washed that all around to get that dirt off of there. You see, you can see how it looks right here. You see where it's still dirty right in here, and you see this here side right here. It's where I have pressure washed to get this dirt up off of here. So I'm just sharing this here with y'all of another task that I've been working on, you know, cleaning pools and stuff. It's been raining all week, so I took this one here on, and I'm finishing up today. Today is Saturday, so I'm getting this one here all finished. So it was a lot of work in it, but I got it done. So I'm gonna scoop this up a little bit out of here where it had a little soap, a little sand. I'm gonna sweep that up out of there, and then I'm gonna start putting the water in there and start filling it back up. Then take and do a water sample, and then you'll know what type of tablets to put in the water to condition it for us, you know, having chlorine in it to get it all nice and blue and everything, where it'll hopefully stay clean. Hope the customer keeps it clean, you know, because hey, it takes time to clean. If I get a chance, I'll give you a view of the way the pool look once I get the water all filled up, and that's going to probably take all night to fill this here up, all night and probably into tomorrow. Anyway, I'm just sharing this portion with y'all. Hope you enjoyed this portion of it, but stay tuned. Like I say, I may be able to give you a view of the pool after it get filled up with some water. Okay, I'll be back with y'all soon.